Alright, in this video we are going to learn duotone. You probably must have seen this on Spotify where we have this kind of two color of design, okay? When you have this design awesomeness, okay? It's very easy to do. So let's dive right into Canva and do that now. Okay, first up we're going to search for image. Okay, this one is what we're going to be using, and we're just going to scale it all the way up, push it to the side. And in case you're wondering what it is, you can always get the detail. Let me see. A young Asian woman wearing headset. Okay, I think that will be. So if I can search this now, young woman wearing headset, wearing headset. Or maybe you can just search with just that one. Maybe it'll give you something. Wearing, oh, far away. Let me paste it again. Wearing, maybe I should just search headset. Okay. Another photo. Okay, look at it here. So you can search for that. So these are image. What we can do now is to come to edit and come to duotone. Okay, it has been here all this while, and we're just going to select any of these. Okay, these are default. Okay, what you can do to select the different color is that when you select any one of them, it's going to give you the two colors that you can change. So we're going to come here now, and these are the colors. Okay, you can change it to whatever you want, and this is terrible. Okay, terrible. So I'm not going to change it because I like the way this one is. Then we're going to bring our Spotify icon. I've taught you this before, to search for icon. Come to your app, then come to icon scout, search for icon. Then you see the icon scout among them, this one. Then you just search for Spotify. It's going to give you a Spotify icon. Okay, I'm just going to bring it in here. Okay, just give it some time. It's going to load, remove the background for you. Then you can change the color. Okay, so I'm going to make it big. Then come here and make it color white. And that's it. So in order to make this one that I made is just to duplicate your image. Control D, and just come select the image, then come to edit, then change it to anyone you like. Okay, I think the one I used was this one or this one, anyone. Okay, anyone that pleases you. Okay, and that's cool. So that's how you can make duotone design. They are really cool. Okay, you can use them for urban arts, any one of your choice. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.